Right guys, so what are we off to do today?
Bug hunting!
Bug hunting! Did you excited? Yeah!
Bird spotting!
And bird spotting! Yay! Right, so we found our bird and bug hunting spot. It's looking pretty good. I think we'll find lots in here. So, what I've got in here is we'll need magnifying glasses for looking for the bugs. You need one of those, Dids. And then, as well for looking for bugs, if there's little dark areas, we might need a torch to look in the dark spots. So you've got a red one for you and a yellow one for you to look in any little dark holes we might find. And last of all, Luke, I've got, oh, they're all wrapped up, some binoculars for looking for the birds. Have you used binoculars before? Look, like this, Luke. You try them. Put them up to your eyes this way. The small bits on your eyes. That makes it further away. If you do it this way round, it'll make it closer. Probably upside down that as well. Can you see? Is that good? Got some for you as well, Dids. Wait there, I'll get them. Yeah, I've got some for you, don't worry.
Look, these are not
So we need to look for all the birds and all the bugs. There you go, there's your binoculars. Is that good, Dids? Can you see birds and bugs? Shall we go and see what we can find then? We need the torch. Let's go see what we can find. What can we find in the woods? So use your torch to... Yeah, they're your binoculars, yeah. Let's go. What are we after, Luke? Find any little bugs on the trees?
I'm holding too much stuff.
You're holding too much stuff. I'll hold that for you. Can you find anything, Dids? Diddy, look through your binoculars. You can't see any birds. Look up then, they're in the sky normally. What can you see? Is there any pigeons, magpies?
I can see a bird.
A bird, yay! When we find little dark holes like this, we can use our torch to just look in there.
Can I have it?
Yeah, you can. And then we can use our magnifying glass to see what's in there. Ooh, what can you see, Diddy? Is there anything in there?
Yeah.
What is there? Is there anything we can tick off our list? I think there's some ants. Can you see some ants? We need to look for flies and beetles. Oh, Luke, you're doing a good job. Have you spotted anything yet?
No.
No? Should we go out in the open a bit more then?
Yeah.
Okay. Dids, what are you looking for? Diddy?
Oh my. Mom.
Yeah?
Where? Mom.
What is it?
Why did it turn off?
Did you press the button? There you go.
Daddy!
What have you spotted, Dids?
Hold my signs.
Okay.
I got too much stuff.
You got too much stuff again. What's a fork doing there? Who's been eating their dinner in the woods? That's a bit mad. Look, someone's been eating their dinner in the woods. Perhaps it was a bear. Do bears use knives and forks?
No.
Perhaps it was a fox. Oh, let's go up this way, Luke.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's go see if that squirrel's still there. Little hedgehog things? Let's have a look.
Little hedgehog things.
Oh, like little spiky things, yeah. I see what you mean, on the lily pads. I think they're falling off the trees.
Oh, they're lily pads.
Yeah, the big round things are lily pads.
I found a lily pad.
What have you found? Anything, Dids? You finding any bugs? No.
I can't see.
Are all the ducks far, far away, are they?
Yeah.
Can you see any through your binoculars?
I can see one.
Oh, there's one.
Look, there is it. Maybe. I can see one little nut. Look, I can see one.
Yay!
There's one in nutwood.
Have a look, Dids.
Three through my nutbush. Yeah, three through my nutbush. Three through my nutbush, okay?
Have a look. Put them to your eyes, Diddy. Is it cute?
See.
Can you see? This one snuck up behind us, look. When we weren't looking. You be careful. Near the edge.
Come to me.
Is it big?
Yeah. I can see it. It's big.
There's some bugs over here, look.
Looking for their family.
They might be looking for their family.
I don't go far away.
They are quite far, far away, so you need to look at them through that.
Wait a minute, I can see the dog over there. Wait a minute, it's gone down in water. Better come back up.
Perhaps he's going down to get some food.
Wait a minute, I can see something.
Yeah? What can you see?
Wait a minute, I can see something down the water. A crocodile.
A crocodile? No way!
In a duck's pond.
In the duck's pond. Cheeky old crocodile.
Look, get out here.
Diddy, can you see it?
There's a crocodile. Yes, get out of here.
You can get up here.
There's a crocodile.
What do you think, Dids? Oh, what is that? Ducks.
Yeah, yes.
So ducks.
Yes. I can. Oh. Look,
Oh, I can see a dragonfly over there on the lily pad.
so.
There's a dragonfly on there, look. You're going to scare him off, Dids. There's a dragonfly. We can tick that off the list. Ooh. It's a birdie, is it? Well, we are bird spotting. Can you see it? Crocodiles again.
That crocodile is still there.
The crocodile's still there. Oh, he's a cheeky crocodile, that one, isn't he?
Crocodile.
Is there a crocodile?
Yeah, I can.
Uh-oh, he's a cheeky crocodile. He's been hanging around for a while, that crocodile. There's a
I
drink.
can think with my knuckles.
Yeah. Do you need a little drink?
I do. Quickly, we had to get out here.
We have to get out of here quick.
Quickly, Mum, we had to get out
Well,
here.
we need a biscuit first. Do you want a chalky one or a jammy one?
Chocolate one.
What one do you want, Diddy? Chalky one or a jammy one? Chalky one for you. Do you want to pick? Jammy one. Luke. Right, well, I think we've had a good time.
That crocodile.
You're gonna-
That one's naughty.
You're going to burp at him because he's naughty. Oh dear. Right, we had a good time bird spotting. Say bye crocodile and crocodile spotting. Say bye crocodile.
Bye. Bye. Bye, naughty crocodile.
The detectives, guys. Yeah.
Finding everything.
Investigators with our magnifying glasses and taking some bread to feed the ducks. Oi, trouble. Hello. You made them big, did you, under the magnifying glass?
Did he? Look at it under the magnifying glass.
Interesting.
That's good.
It is.
There's some berries on the bar.
I did.
I don't know berries.
Can you see anything? Any bugs or little flowers? Let's tuck that in. What can you see, Dids?
Look at this flower. Wow, this is grass.
What you found, Pops?
It's interesting. Wait, I want to see an ant under the microphone. Where is it gone? Let's find an ant. Come on, guys, I'm listening to find an ant.
Can you find an ant with your magnifying glass? Right, let's check out this rickety old bridge then. What can we find? Check it out with your magnifying glasses. Is it structurally sound? It means, is it going to fall down or not?
Yeah, it's gonna fall down, Mum. We should be here. Let's just geese start finding a way to
That tree's broken.
Is that piece broken?
That tree's broken.
Oh, that tree's broken, yeah.
This piece is broken.
Right, well, we'll have to come back with... Does the bridge need fixing? We'll have to come back another day with our tools to fix it up, won't we? What do you think, Luke?
I think I heard something.
Do you think... You see all the spikes on it?
Mom, come here.
Don't touch,
come here.
don't let him touch the stinging
Mom,
nettles.
come here.
Did you call me Ma?
Ma.
Why are you calling me Ma? Oh, they've got big ones. Look at it through your magnifying glass. And you'll be able to see.
Big.
You see,
Oh,
Luke?
look, there's a bee.
That's why you don't touch them. Because you'll get spiked. Let's have a look with your one, Dids. Oh, can you see how big those spikes are? They're
Yeah.
huge.
I can stand bed.
Yeah, you make them big with your magnifying glass. Is it good?
Oh no, I dropped my weapon.
Your weapon? You alright, Dids? Keep hold of him, Ollie.
They're too far away.
Yeah.
Saw an ant a minute ago.
The ants on the tree?
There wasn't one.
I thought I...
Diddy, don't swing that stick around. You're going to hit your brother with it. Let go.
Geese. I think they might be spotting us because they're calling their friends.
The geese after us, guys.
Yeah. Oh, Mum, they saw us.
Where are they?
They're the ones with the babies that found us.
Uh-oh.
They're running away. Look, and there's a house.
I'm coming, guys. Don't bash it. Come on, let's go out this way.
Wait, Mum.
Yeah? Yeah.
My scope, sniper.
Oh, wow. You're going to sniper me?
Are we going this way to home?
Yeah.
Boy.
Right, let's head home then. See how much painting Daddy's done.